We are doing in-text questions 23.3. Okay. Barira, read the first sentence with the answers.
The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord.
Okay. Sharia, the next one.
The two functions of the cerebrum are intelligence and consciousness.
Consciousness. Okay. Saf, 1 minute. Yes, Safia, do the third one.
The major function of cerebellum is to maintain balance of the body.
Yes, it is to maintain the balance of the body. Sufyan, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the fourth sentence. Can you say the fourth sentence? Pranav, read the fourth sentence. Pranav. Yes, Safia, you may say the fourth one.
The medulla oblongata, part of brain, controls the activity of all internal organs of a body.
Exactly. And that is the reason why we say that the medulla oblongata, which is associated to our what? Cerebellum. Associated to the cerebellum is the most important part. You know, in Hindi, what do we call medulla oblongata? Chota dimag. Don't hit on the chota dimag, nahi to all the functioning of the internal organs will stop. And if that stops, that means internal organs like what? The heart. Okay, if it stops, then what will happen? You are understanding what I'm trying to say. That is why it is very, very important to take care of this part of the brain, the medulla oblongata. Okay, Barira, read the last sentence, beta.
The outer and the inner region of the cerebrum are composed of gray and white matter, respectively.
Very good. And now this is about the cerebrum. Okay, have you all written the answers? Can I go ahead? I'm going to show you few things which can, which can come other than this also in the examination for your objective type of questions. And it is not only to your 9th, 10th standard that you should worry about science, but it can be about your, after you get into 11th and 12th. If you take up science as your stream, the competitive exams that lead you to engineering or medicine have these objective type of questions. Are you aware of those kind of exams? Yes, are you aware of competitive exams like JEE, NEET, JEE Advanced? Have you heard of these exams? All these exams,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
CET? Yes, yes, Afia?
Nothing, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, I have heard of this.
Yeah, all these exams you will have to give if you have to enter into any of the streams. Okay, CET, common entrance exams, all these exams are objective type of exams. Okay, where you get marks for correct answers, and for wrong answers marks are even deducted. Have you heard of these exams? You get -1 if you get wrong, matlab -1 from the correct one that you got. उसमें से भी minus हो जाता है. So you have to concentrate on these minute things which are going to, help you in future. See, one thing good about biology is if you know about biology, that means you know about your own body. Okay. Second thing is, if you want to take up science as your career when you go ahead, this will definitely help you. So we are humans, we should know about our body. So these things are very important to know. Can I clear the screen, Barira?
1 minute.
Okay, I'm waiting. I want to show you few sentences other than this part which can come as objectives. so that we can highlight on that. That is the only reason why I have taken up this lecture today, the in-text question, because this chapter is very important from your exam point of view also. Marina, take a screenshot, beta.
Done.
Can I clear?
Yeah.
See, we start from here. Okay, I'm going to highlight few things which I feel are important and you should know. One is the central nervous system. Okay, it consists of the brain lying under the skull and the spinal cord. That means CNS is made up of two things, brain and spinal cord. Okay, the next thing that we go about is that the dash is a very delicate organ of your body, and that is the brain. You should know. Okay, then it is well protected with a bony cranium, as it is said. Okay, then we can say that these three meninges, that means these covering, name the three meninges of the brain. They are the dura mater, okay, the arachnoid and the pia mater. Very important again from your objective point of view. The next that you need to know is that the space between these covering membranes is known as the cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, this also name you should know. It can be asked in your objective type of questions. Can I go ahead? Yes.
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 Now you can look at the figure of the brain. This part, the pink part that you can see, what will you call this pink part? Cerebrum. Okay. Can you see this part here? The grayish blue part. This is the cerebellum. Okay. And then you have this part which is known as the medulla oblongata. Here they are showing you a little straight one, but it is a little tilted. Okay, which then gets associated to the spinal cord. So you can see medulla oblongata is getting joined as the spinal cord to our body. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to remember this very well. Now, if we talk about cerebellum, okay, cerebellum, the inner portion consists of the white matter, the inner portion. The outer portion consists of the gray matter. So you should know this. Outer portion consists of the gray matter. Outer is gray, inner is white. You can write this somewhere and keep. Cerebellum, outer gray, inner white. Can I go ahead? Are you all making notes? Okay. This
Yes,
was
Tina.
about cerebrum. Okay. Outer was what? Tell me. Oh, where have we reached?
Outer was gray and inner was white.
Yeah. One moment. I think. Now cerebellum, it is same like the cerebrum, where you have outer of gray and inner of white. So this also you will mention. Cerebrum, cerebellum, outer gray, inner white. Am I right? Medulla oblongata, lowest point or lowest portion of brain, okay, located at the base of the skull. Remember this, the location of medulla oblongata, lowest portion of brain located at the base of the skull. Okay, it controls the activities of all the internal important organs like breathing, beating of heart. So it is very important that you may, protect your medulla oblongata, because injury to medulla oblongata generally results in death. So we have to be very careful. Now moving ahead, talking about the spinal cord. The spinal cord is opposite of the cerebrum and cerebellum in the gray and the white matter. Gray matter you can see is on the inner side, while white matter you can see is in the outer side. Do you get me? This is reversed from that of the brain. Spinal cord is reversed to that of the brain. So you have to remember, in the brain, gray is out, white is in. In the spinal cord, gray is in, white is out. Don't confuse yourself. Write it very clearly, because this is going to help you. Have you written this?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can we go to the next in-text question?
Yeah.
And then I will give you extras
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
First, let me see how much you know. We are doing in-text questions 23.4. Okay. Name two types of reflexes. Do you know two types of reflexes? Yes, anybody can try. One is the natural and the other is conditioned. The two types of reflexes are natural reflex and conditioned reflex. Who can give me an example of a natural reflex and a conditioned reflex? We had done when we did the chapter. Example?
I think split and doing a split is a conditioned reflex, and natural is
Doing what is conditioned?
split.
Split. Split like what?
Ma'am, when you smell a good food, your mouth starts watering. That is a condition.
Yes. Yes, Sharia, you're right. If we know the
And
taste. Yeah, if we know the
natural
taste.
is
Yeah, tell
when
me, Sharia.
you touch a hot pan and your
Yes. Like for example, if you see a lot of light, you close your eyes is natural. You touch a hot object, you pull your hand behind is natural. But when we talk about conditioned, it is like the food that you know is tasty and you smell it, only then the saliva comes. That is conditioned. I hope you remember this. We have done in the class. Yes? Can we go to the next? Given below are few different components of reflex arc in an haphazard manner. Arrange them in the correct order in the space given below. That means this is a set of components of the reflex, how the reflex works. You have to give me the right sequence, how it starts. So who can help me do this? इससे मुझे पता चल रहा है रीडिंग नहीं हुआ है अच्छे से.
First is CNS.
No, first is stimulus. Something that will let the reflex happen is stimulus. Am I right? है ना? Okay. So I will label this as first stimulus. Then tell me what will happen.
Sensory neuron.
Stimulus हुआ तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? Receptor को जाएगा ना? Who's going to take the stimulus? The receptor.
Oh yeah.
And then where will it go? Tell me.
Sensory neuron.
Yes. After stimulus receptor, then it comes the sensory neuron. Then where it goes? Then it is CNS, that is your brain. Am I right? Now tell me what happens after this.
Motor
CNS.
neuron.
Yes. After CNS, it is motor neuron. Okay, then tell me what happens.
Effector.
Yes, then it is effector. And lastly, what will happen?
Response.
Response.
Very good. So have you understood how the response actually takes place? Stimulus. Okay, then the receptor sends it to the sensory neuron. Then from sensory neuron, it goes to the CNS. Then the CNS gives instructions to the motor neuron. Then the motor neuron passes it to the effector, and then the response takes place. Is it very clear?
It must be happening so quick in our body,
Yeah,
right?
it is in a fraction of a second that we may talk about. Just imagine a fraction of a second. I'm not even talking about a second. I'm talking about fraction of a second. And it happens so quickly. Our brain works so fast. Just imagine. Teacher is saying, why your camera is off? We don't even have to think. Fraction of a second. Net issues comes to your mind. Yes or no? What response will you call it? What reflex will you call it? Natural or conditioned?
Conditioned.
Barira is laughing. Yes, Barira. See, Sufyan looks out of the window. What reflex is that? Natural or conditioned?
Conditioned.
Conditioned, yes. No, it is conditioned. Why it is conditioned?
When the
Because-
camera is on,
Yes, when the
then
camera is
only
on, then only he looks out. No, so it is conditioned. When teacher is teaching, then only he looks out. It is conditioned. If somebody gives him a task of looking out, no, then it will become reverse. Then he will look into the camera. Then he will look at teacher. The teacher has to keep telling him, you please look outside the window. Then he will not look outside the window. है ना Sufyan? Okay. Chalo, jokes apart. I hope you all are understanding the chapter and understanding the seriousness of knowing all these things. Because it is about your body, you should know how it works and how it happens. That is why I'm doing it in a little detail with you. Okay. Now that you are aware of the well thought of voluntary actions that are coordinated by the cerebrum and immediate response actions of the reflex actions coordinated by the spinal cord, try to identify whether the following situations, just give me a moment. May be best managed by well thought out voluntary actions or quick response reflex actions. Please provide at least one reason for your choice. Okay, again, this is, where you are going to apply the knowledge that we have learned. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll just clear the screen. Tell me. You need to immediately stop your bicycle as a speeding motorbike comes in front of your bicycle. Tell me, is it going to be a voluntary action or is it going to be a reflex action? When I say voluntary actions, I'll just explain to you, you will tell me. Yes, Sufyan, you're right. Voluntary action is where you are thinking and doing it. Then it is voluntary. Okay. And quick response reflex is that you are not thinking even for a fraction of a second and you're doing it. Okay. So, yes, Sufyan has answered this as
Reflex action.
reflex. Okay. What is the reason? Reason may differ.
Because it was a sudden situation.
Yes, because we can say it is a time of emergency. We don't have time to think, process, and give the response. Yes or no? We will immediately do the action. Okay. Can we go to the next one? Choice you can write on your own. Reason of choice you can write in your own words. There is no hard and fast rule that, this was right or that was right. You can put it in your own words. You have scored good marks in all the subjects in class 10 and now you need to choose between science and commerce stream. Okay, you have done very well. You've done, you've got good marks. You have to choose whether you want to
Ma'am,
get
voluntary.
Yes, beta.
Voluntary.
Voluntary action.
Exactly, because it is a well thought voluntary action. Yes or no? So I will call it a voluntary action.
Ma'am, when you
Yes.
started reading the question, I thought you were saying something to us.
Okay, you didn't
And then
realize.
I thought, no, yeah, and then I thought, no, we have not done 10th. And then I saw the question
Ah.
you were reading that.
Correct. Now you are cleaning your cupboard. Okay, a sharp needle pokes you and you remove your hand.
This is
Reflex.
reflex action.
Reflex. You are not going to keep your hand poked there, think about it and remove your hand. You are not going to do that, right? Your hand is into a nail, okay, or a needle, and the needle is poked in your finger and you're thinking, oh, what should I do? What should I do? Oh, I have to remove my hand from here. Is it
Like
going to
the
happen
Sleeping
like that?
Beauty.
No, I'm going to immediately do it without even thinking about it. And that is reflex. Okay, you've moved to a new neighborhood and you're trying to make new friends.
Voluntary.
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 Because you're going to think whether, a person I'm talking to, I should make that person my friend or I should not make that person my friend. That is a well thought action. Okay, we can't call it a reflex action. Is it very clear? Reasons you can write of your own choice questions. Can I erase this? Have you understood this part? Such
Yes,
type
ma'am.
of questions also you can expect in your board exams. They are known as open-ended questions. You understand what I speak? That means they give you a choice to write your reason. So you should be able to write it well. We have 23.5 and we have 23.6. 23.6 is a bigger one.
Ma'am, you were going to do this.
Yeah, we are doing it. Definitely we are doing it. Okay. First, we will do 23.5. Okay, just 2 questions are there. Very quickly, we'll be able to answer it. How many pairs of cranial nerves are present in the body?
12 pairs.
Are you very sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay. So I write 12. Name 2 parts of ANS, autonomic nervous system. 2 parts. Chalo, quickly.
Sympathetic and parasympathetic.
Very good. You may continue it. Huh? I'm just writing it half so that we can very quickly go to the next in-text question. Can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are doing 23.6. And very quickly we will complete it. Okay. A hormone is transported by the dash to the target organ.
Nerves.
Yes?
Nerves.
No. Who will give me the answer? A hormone is transported by dash. Blood. Okay, remember this. Hypoactivity of thyroid gland causes dash leading to cretinism in young children. Hypoactivity of thyroid gland causes dash. Goiter. Odd reading I have done. Okay. Pancreas secrete 2 hormones which help in the dash of glucose in our body. This we had done. I had explained the meaning of this word also. Pancreas secrete 2 hormones which help in the dash of the glucose. Can you think? Metabolism. Remember, I had explained the meaning also. Okay. Each of the following statements have one correct response. Okay. Please choose the correct option. Chalo, quickly. If a pathologist were to collect a hormone, where would it be collected from? Abhi ye to easy hai.
Blood.
Blood. Yes. So if we have to choose one option here, it is going to be blood. Okay. Hyperactivity of pituitary gland causes dash. Hyperactivity.
Gigantism.
Yes, it is gigantism. Hyper. If it was hypo instead of hyper,
Dwarfism.
Dwarfism.
yes, yes. Please write this much down. Can I go ahead? I need to scroll. So for scrolling, I need to clear the screen. Can I
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are moving to the third question. Okay. The neuron that carries the impulse from sense organs to the brain or spinal cord are called as dash. Neurons that carry impulse from the sense organ to the brain. Sense organ to the brain.
Sensory neuron.
Sensory neuron. And if it was from the brain to the sense organ?
Motor neuron.
Motor neuron. Very good. Okay. The parts of reflex are connected to dash.
Spinal cord.
Both brain and spinal cord.
Yes, it has to be both, na? Parts of reflex. We learned about the reflex, the entire reflex, right from stimulus to the response. You remember? It went right from the sensory organs to the brains and then coming back. So parts of reflex are connected to both brain and spinal cord. Okay. Two neurons are connected to each other through. Two neurons
Synapse.
are connected to each other through. They are connected
Their
to synapse. They are connected through synapse. Axons, dendrons, they are joining each other but not connecting. There is a difference. Okay. Can we move ahead?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Remember this, huh, beta? Don't write wrong in the exam. Oh. I'm trying to move and there also I can see a tick mark happening. Instead of the screen scrolling, I'm ticking it marks. Okay. Now the sixth one. Okay. An axion is what?
Nerve fiber.
A nerve
Nerve fiber.
fiber. Is it a nerve fiber or is it a sheet of a nerve fiber?
Sheet of a nerve fiber.
Yes. So whenever options are given to you, you have to see all the options and the best suited you will write. Okay. This is the sixth one. Now we will move to the seventh one. An individual reported to neurophysician with a body temperature much higher than normal. Okay. After several investigations, the neurophysician has diagnosed that a tumor in a specific area of brain was causing this symptom. Where do you think the tumor may have been located?
Cerebellum.
Cerebrum.
It is hypothalamus. For this, no, very deep reading is required of the chapter. If you do the reading, no, of the brain part, you will get this there. Okay, the eighth one. Where is the subconscious mind located? Consciousness. We learned about a function, consciousness. Whose function was it?
Cerebellum.
Yes, it is cerebrum. So subconscious is there, na? जहाँ consciousness hit करता है, उसको subconscious of the mind बोलते हैं. Am I right? Yes. So where is the
Yes.
subconscious mind located? It is in the
Cerebrum.
cerebrum. Okay. Hyposecretion of insulin will cause which disease? Insulin.
Diabetes.
Yes.
Diabetes.
Diabetes.
Diabetes is right. Okay. Which part of your brain helps you to maintain the balance? This also you should know.
Medulla. No, sorry, cerebellum.
Cerebellum.
Sorry.
Cerebellum maintains the balance. Yes. And now we move to the last one. Arey yaar. The last one. Sudha likes to sleep in and someone always has to wake her up. Like it happens with us also. Yes. Whenever we sleep, somebody will come and wake us up. Okay. Sudha likes to sleep in and someone always has to wake her up in the morning. However, during exams, she is able to get up without an alarm or any other help. It is not exams. You know what they had to write there was? A picnic, a outing, a vacation. Even if the flight is midnight, oh my God, I can stay awake.
Yeah, ma'am, when it is picnic or something, we wake up so early in
So
the morning
early.
without
You
any
don't
alarm.
get sleep only. And you don't need your mother to wake you up. Because during school days, you trust your mother so much that you know before the lecture, she'll wake you up. But when it is picnic time, I don't know where the trust is gone. Okay, you just forget about the trust and you want to be awake by your own. Which part of the nervous system helps her to deal with this situation? Tell me.
Sympathetic nervous system.
Yes, it is sympathetic nervous system. Because she is so sympathetic towards the picnic. I mean the exam that they have written here in the book. Yes, it is sympathetic.
This
Okay.
must be for someone who is really addicted to studies.
No, I don't think there is anybody who's addicted to studies.
There
Okay.
are who wants to become doctor.
It
or
is
something.
because stress we wake up early.
See, I'll tell you one thing. The ones who want to become doctors or the ones who are very dedicated towards studies, again, they're not addicted. It's a part of their life. Okay, like how we have so many social medias as a part of our life. Okay, the Insta, the Facebook, or the other things. So we feel it is addiction? No, we don't even realize that. So similarly, the ones who are dedicated towards their goals, again, they are not addicted. Okay, they are sympathetic towards it. They
Teacher,
like
but there
it.
are bookworms. Some
Bookworms.
people who like to
Bookworms.
read
See, I'll tell
every
you,
time.
we can call these terms to people who only do the reading and have no practical knowledge about it. Then you may call them bookworms. But somebody who's reading and applying it, again, we can't call them bookworms. Getting it? You're reading to apply, it's a fantastic thing. And I will love if you all start reading and applying because both is required. Only reading is also making no sense. Then I will also call somebody a bookworm. Actually, I feel these terms are very derogatory or very, unmotivational to the children. Okay, but then anyhow, if he or she is only reading and not applying, then I'm sorry, even I will use that word. Okay, but if somebody is reading and applying it, it's a fantastic thing. You should be doing it. So again, today's homework for science is to read this chapter again and try to analyze the ones that you didn't know, where it is written, why did they write, how did I get this answer, why did teacher tell this answer. You will try and analyze it. When you do that, you will never forget it. One positive point is you take up science, you don't take up science, you have to know your human body. Yes or no? Yes, even if it is not helpful in future, it is going to help you for your lifetime. Yes? Can I end my class here for today?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy. Keep studying. Keep reading.